Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to get access to bullX.io without waitlist. For that, you need to simply click on the link that is given in the description, or you can even copy that link and paste it in your web browser. Over here, it will ask you to open your Telegram desktop application. So if you already have downloaded your Telegram desktop application, then click on the link. But for this video, I'm going to open it in web. After clicking on any of the options of your choice, you will be landed on this type of page where you need to click on the start button. Now, after clicking on the start button, it will say that congratulations, your access code is redeemed successfully. And then you will be able to see these three options in the bottom where you can directly log in or you can even log into backup bot 1 and backup bot 2. If I click on the login button, it will ask me to open the link. So you need to click on the open link and it will redirect you in your web browser where, as you can see, that I have successfully accessed BullX, and now you can trade in new pairs and you can purchase, buy and sell meme coins very easily on BullX. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.